Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're venturing to the outer reaches of our solar system to explore one of the most intriguing and mysterious celestial bodies, Pluto. Once considered the ninth planet, Pluto has fascinated astronomers and the public alike for decades. So, let's dive into some captivating facts about this enigmatic dwarf planet. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. For 76 years, it held the title of the ninth planet in our solar system. However, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, redefined the criteria for what constitutes a planet, and Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This decision was controversial and sparked much debate in the astronomical community. Pluto resides in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies and remnants from the early solar system. It's one of the largest known objects in this region and has a highly elliptical orbit that sometimes brings it closer to the Sun than Neptune. However, due to its small size and composition, it didn't meet all the criteria needed to retain its status as a planet. One of the most fascinating aspects of Pluto is its orbit. Unlike the planets, which follow relatively circular paths, Pluto's orbit is highly eccentric and inclined. It takes about 248 Earth years for Pluto to complete one orbit around the Sun. This means that a single year on Pluto is longer than an entire human lifespan. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons mission provided us with the first close-up images of Pluto, revealing a surprisingly complex and varied surface. The spacecraft traveled over 3 billion miles for nearly a decade to reach Pluto, and its discoveries have significantly enhanced our understanding of this distant world. Among the most notable features is the heart-shaped region known as Tombaugh Regio, named after Pluto's discoverer. Pluto has a thin atmosphere composed mainly of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere is subject to extreme changes. As Pluto moves closer to the Sun, the ices on its surface sublimate, turning into gas and expanding the atmosphere. When it moves farther away, the atmosphere can freeze and fall back to the surface, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Pluto also has 5 known moons, the largest of which is Charon. Charon is so large relative to Pluto that they are sometimes considered a double dwarf planet system. The gravitational pull between Pluto and Charon is such that they are tidally locked, always showing the same face to each other as they orbit a common center of mass. This unique relationship offers valuable insights into tidal interactions in binary systems. The New Horizons mission was a monumental achievement in space exploration. It provided invaluable data about Pluto and its moons, revealing details about their geology, composition, and atmospheres. The mission's findings showed that Pluto is an active world with a complex history, challenging our understanding of planetary science. The exploration of Pluto is far from over. Scientists are eager to return with more advanced missions to study its geology, atmosphere, and potential for harboring life. Future missions could reveal even more about this distant world and its role in the broader context of our solar system's formation and evolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore Pluto, the enigmatic dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content about the wonders of our universe. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.